The experiment we conducted was the bobo doll experiment, which was filmed and played by Yizhen, Amy Zhihong, and Feiwei Dashani. We have three research objectives to investigate if social behaviors like aggression are able to be learned through observational learning, which is through observation and imitation, to investigate if children are able to learn aggression by observing and imitation the behavior of an adult model towards a bobo doll, to investigate to see if the results of the experiment would support Bandura's social learning research methodology. Participants are protested for levels of aggression, then sorted into three groups: aggressive model group, no aggressive model group, control group. Aggressive and no aggressive group has two models, male and female. Control group has no model. Method for experiment: three major stages: modeling, aggression, arousal, and test for delayed imitation.
Stage 1. Modeling. Children were individually shown into a room containing toys and observed the models. Aggressive model. Non-aggressive model. No model. Stage 2. Aggression arousal.
Aggression arousal. To strengthen this child's aggression for the next stage, the child is brought in a room with desirable toys and allowed to play with it for 10 minutes. The researcher then takes away the toys and says it's not for the child.
A few moments later. Meanwhile. Later.
Stage 3. Test for delayed imitation.
Test for delay imitation. When testing for delayed imitation, the child was left alone in the room for 20 minutes with a bobo doll and variety of aggressive and non-aggressive toys. The researcher then observed the child from a one-way mirror, and then any aggressive behavior is noted down. The results observed and the behavior noted by the researcher were: children who saw aggressive models tend to display aggressive behavior more than children in the non-aggressive and controlled group, Also, children are more likely to act aggressive when the observed model is from the same sex, meaning that female children who observed aggressive male models imitated that aggressive behavior, and male children who also observed male aggressive models imitated that aggressive behavior. The children tend to imitate the model's action too. So if the model punched the doll or hit it with a mallet, threw something at it, or poo and boom, the children would imitate that exact same act. Children also tend to behave more non-aggressively when they are from a control group or from a non-aggressive group. That both applies to the male and female non-aggressive groups, and in this case, children aren't aggressive and they just proceed to play with other toys.
Children that observe aggressive model. Children that observe non-aggressive model.
In conclusion, the children generally tend to imitate the aggressive behavior from the adult models around them, and this shows that social behavior are able to be learned through observational learning.